Wouldn't it be awesome to be able to transform 1 gram of protein into 3 grams to increase your muscle gains? Well, you can, thanks to novel additives that improve amino acid absorption and protein digestion. You can saturate your muscles with essential amino acids that promote growth without ingesting or consuming any more protein. It genuinely resembles multiplying 1 gram of protein by 3. Do you feel bloated and gassy, or are you concerned that your digestion isn't working as well as it once did? Do you worry about aging gracefully, preserving your health and vitality, and looking and feeling good? Are you preoccupied with consuming enough protein? Have you noticed that your strength has diminished and that your muscles aren't as hard as they once were? Do you have more aches and pains than usual, or are you more prone to injury? If any of these questions were yes for you, then be sure to stay tuned to the end to find out how you can simply turn everything around in a way that's much easier than you ever thought. I'm going to explain why even if you regularly spend hours in the gym, have a lifelong passion for sports, or still consider yourself to be in excellent shape, you can be putting yourself at risk for injury, aging more quickly, losing the capacity to properly digest and absorb your meals, and losing muscular growth and strength. I'm also going to reveal to you a scientifically validated mealtime protein secret that not only aids in the development and maintenance of your arduously acquired muscle mass, but also fortifies your bones, boosts your immunity, increases your stamina, gives you a healthier, younger-looking skin, helps you focus and feel happier, reduces food sensitivities, improves digestion, and even improves the way your hormones function. And it functions regardless of your age or physical condition. There's a reason why some people can maintain their youthful appearance, physical fitness, and energy levels well into their 50s, 60s, and 70s, and even beyond. You might speculate that it's a special medication regimen prescribed to them by their personal doctor, or that it's the demanding workouts with their famous trainers in Hollywood, followed by the organic meals prepared by their famous chefs. But you'd be mistaken. Instead, they are merely using the most recent scientific findings by employing a tried and true mealtime protein trick that elite professional bodybuilders utilize to whip themselves into incredible condition. In addition, you'll find out how you can begin employing this exact mealtime protein trick practically immediately. The best thing though, every day it takes no more than 10 seconds. But within those 10 seconds, you'll be utilizing every nutrient's maximum potential when you eat by using a technique that has been scientifically shown to extract additional nutrients from everything you eat without requiring you to alter a single aspect of your diet. Simply said, this mealtime protein trick increases the absorption and utilization of the food you're already eating. When you find out this secret at the end of the video, you're going to have more strength, more power, and exceptional health. Additionally, a healthier, fuller digestion. The ability to convert up to 200% more protein into usable amino acids and absorb over 50% more is increased by this straightforward protein trick, according to conservative estimations. You see, to maximize the assimilation and use of protein in your body, and to develop and maintain lean muscle, it's not about consuming more protein. The goal is to increase the amount of protein you already consume through absorption. Hey, all the supplement firms fooled us in the 1980s by telling us we needed to consume enormous amounts of protein. We were tricked into thinking that. Now we can employ these closely kept secrets to enhance our digestion, look better than we have in years, and improve our overall health. When we digest and absorb protein, our body breaks that protein down into usable amino acids. And amino acids contain nitrogen. When our body utilizes these amino acids, nitrogen remains in our body. However, when amino acids aren't utilized to make protein in our body, that nitrogen leaves through our urine. That means we can actually measure how well our body utilizes protein. And scientists have figured out a way to do that. It's called amino acid utilization, or AAU. Here's how it functions. If a dietary protein supply had an AAU of 100%, that meant that your body was utilizing all of the amino acids in the food source to make proteins. and that'd be incredible. However, if a particular food source only has an AAU of, say, 20%, that means that only 20% of the amino acids are used by your body to produce protein. In other words, 80% of the amino acids you consume are lost by your body, and that's awful. However, this is where things become interesting. Whole eggs have the highest AAU of any high-protein food on the market. Additionally, the AAU of whole eggs is just 47%. If you eat the entire egg, you'll have wasted 53% of the protein. You even waste significantly more food if you simply consume egg whites. Therefore, everything relies on protein absorption, and it all boils down to one factor when it comes to absorbing protein: enzymes. Your meal is digested with the aid of enzymes. Your body breaks down protein into absorbable anabolic amino acids, which are precisely what it needs for building muscle, recuperation, and easy digestion. Proteases are the enzymes that do this. Without the enzymes, you're essentially leaving a lot of the necessary protein you're consuming on the table. However, here's the catch. Even if you eat meat, fish, and eggs, enzymes are still crucial since your cooking destroys many of the enzymes that are required to effectively break down the meal. The more cooked food you eat, the worse it can get. Your body then must work overtime to digest your food, and there are only so many enzymes to go around. Once you start running low, then you open yourself up to all sorts of digestive problems. The process of digesting food is one of your body's major energy consumers. According to studies, your body uses up to 80% of its important energy just to digest, break down, and absorb the food you eat. Enzymes greatly simplify the digestion process, leaving you with more energy to get through the rest of the day. Enzymes aid in the removal of waste. Digestive enzymes aid in accelerating the rate at which food passes through your digestive tract. You get less backed up as food flows through your system more quickly, and you also have less bloating, gas, and cramping. Your body seeks to extract nutrients and eliminate waste items as effectively as possible during healthy digestion. Your metabolism, your energy level, and your health can all be negatively impacted by undigested food, trash, and contaminants. Your body's ability to eliminate toxins is enhanced, and digestion is improved by enzymes. You can develop younger-looking skin and hair by using enzymes. It makes sense that your skin and hair will get younger and healthier the more protein your body can use and absorb. That's because collagen, which is formed from protein and is necessary for healthy skin and hair, and the prevention of aging, depends on protein. Additionally, let's not forget about getting more muscle. Over the past 10 years, scientists studying exercise have published some amazing findings on proteolytic enzymes. The most notable example is a 2007 study that found a statistically significant difference in recovery times between participants receiving proteolytic enzymes versus subjects receiving a placebo. It's important to understand what statistically significant implies, because it shows that the findings were legitimate and weren't the result of chance or the placebo effect. Here's what happened. Over the course of a 2-week period, the males in the research underwent strength tests. The experimenters concluded that recovery was quicker in the group that received the proteolytic enzymes because they were able to generate more muscle force overall at the end of the research. More time and opportunities for muscular growth result from speedier recuperation. So, enough of the solid facts. If you can answer yes to any of the following, be sure to click the link in the description to find out how you can start reaping the benefits of these super enzymes. Do you want to recover rapidly from workouts, build bigger, stronger muscles, experience a healthy, high-performance edge, increase your protein absorption and synthesis, optimize the value and effectiveness of the protein you're consuming, cleanse your gut and eliminate constipation, excess gas, and acid reflux? Then do yourself a favor and find out how easy it is to excel in all these areas. Remember to like and subscribe, and don't forget to click the link in the description below to get the best formula to optimize protein utilization.